Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use chart symbol rider on the YarnPal application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So there's the home screen and you can find different buttons. You just go to the lower bar and click the second icon on the tools. And in the smart tools section, you can find the third option, the chart symbol rider. Decode symbols and abbreviations fast. Click that. And here you can add your questions, you can ask different things, and the chatbot will explain it to you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.